Why Python for AI and ML? First, the powerhouse library ecosystem. For example, NumPy and SciPy for high-performance mathematical operations and scientific computing. Pandas, essential for data manipulation and analysis. Scikit-Learn for ML algorithms such as regression, clustering, and classification. TensorFlow and Keras for deep learning and neural networks, while Matplotlib and Seaborn for visualizations to interpret data. Second, accessibility meets flexibility. Python's human-readable syntax resembles English, making it ideal for beginners and team collaborating across domains, such as data scientists, researchers, and engineers. Rapid prototyping and scalability. AI projects thrive on experimentation. Python's concise syntax enables quick testing of ideas, while this scalability lets projects grow from simple scripts to enterprise-level systems. For instance, build a fraud detection model with a Scikit-Learn in finance, develop diagnostic AI for medical imaging using TensorFlow, create recommendation engines for e-commerce, for platform independence and community support. Python runs seamlessly on Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Code written on one machine works elsewhere with minimal tweaks. Number 5, career catalyst. Python skills for AI and ML unlock high demand roles. Machine learning engineer, for example, 114 to 250K dollars average salary. Data scientists leverage pandas for insight-driving business decisions. AI researcher use PyTorch and TensorFlow to push boundaries in NLP or computer vision.